second. The default. Okay, the default. Okay, I hope you can hear me. Okay, this is the first video I'll be doing. I'll be trying doing 2 a day. This is just for me and for anyone who else wants to help or is watching. So I make games and yeah, I make games. So I'll be doing 2 videos a day. One of the big game I'm making, and I'll be trying to make one mobile game a day. Just simple. If it takes 2 days, I will say. But the second video will be just about um just a normal mobile mobile game. Okay. I program in Unity. I'm using the latest version of Unity as well. I should have loaded it up before I started. uh, okay. I normally have no patience. So I started making videos because just so I can work faster. I feel like I'm getting lazy. Uh, that's one of the games I made. Uh, yeah, I feel like I'm getting lazy. So if I record myself working, I can't be lazy because I can see what I'm doing. Yeah. Okay. Okay, I'm making one big project now. It's 3D. It will be called The Power of Free. This is just a temporary name for now, at least. I have an idea of what I want to do. I have an idea of what I want to do. So this first video will just be set up. So it'll be like 10-20 minutes long. And the second video will be 1 hour to 2 hours long. Mm. Ooh, what is this? This is new. This template is high definition script or readable pipeline. Okay, I'm thinking this is just for coding. Okay, let's boot this up. I haven't thought of a YouTube channel name. It's probably going to be called. I thought of one called Realm Keeper. So that's probably going to be it. So if you like the video, hit the like button. And don't forget to subscribe. No, I'm joking. uh, It takes a while for its first initial boot. I'm working on a laptop. It's quite an old laptop. I have a computer, but I'm currently in another country, so I have to work off this laptop. So things might be slow or laggy for a bit, but in August I'll be back and there'll be no lag. I haven't made a game on this laptop before, so this is the first time using it to run Unity. I've made like 6 or 7 games. say I'm intermediate at C sharp. And Java, yeah, I'm intermediate at Java and C programming. I can do some animation and yeah, I can do some animation. I'm more majority of programs for me at least, I should say. Um, I like layout being 2 by 3, yeah, where it's just the scene at the top and the game, the hierarchy. I like the hierarchy and the project being on top of each other because the hierarchy is literally just a list. This won't be a tutorial. This will just be making a game. I might explain what I'm doing just for myself, but in general, this is not a tutorial. This is just me recording myself work so I can see how efficient I am. Um, I'm just gonna basically make a testing level, so where I can make all my new stuff, like all my new functions and stuff. So test them out there first, then come over here. Because I start by basically doing functions first. So if I want this feature, like I want a grappling hook, I start with that first. So like the grappling hook will be first. Um, then I focus on the UI last because the UI is very interchangeable. Like I can change it at any moment. So this will be my test level, and I just want to create a free object. This, this be my test character for now. If I can grab it. Oh, I hate this mouse already. I need to buy a mouse. I don't like key laptop mouse pads or trackpads. That's what they're called. Yeah, I hate trackpads. Give me a plane. If I click play, there's no gravity, right? So nothing will happen. Would it play? Oh, is it playing? Nope. Wait. Oh, it started playing. Right, quick. I'm playing. Shit. Mm, okay, so everything's running good. I'm just checking if I click play with OBS running good because I'm using OBS to record everything. I probably won't edit any of the video, so maybe I would like speed up some bits, but yeah, for now no editing, and especially for the first video. I'm just gonna start with the most basic stuff I want to do with the video. So, but the reason why I called it the Power of Free is because um, empty object. This will be the character. I'm just gonna call it Car for short, and I'll change it later. So the reason I put Power of Free is because you always have free, like a deck, not a deck game, but it's an action adventure game where you have to select 3 characters and they're all interchangeable. Which they have different skills, different set of moves, like different things you can combo off of. So this will be the character. This will be deactivated. I'm just gonna do something really basic. Can I add color to this? I want to add color to this? No, for now, no. So the plan is to. Oh wait, did I download? Ah, let me create a folder called code. I like to keep my folders in nice, neat order. Uh, Create C sharp. I want to call this player controller. Another script called player. Um, the player controller is to control the player, like its movement basically. And I'm gonna make some presets. So player would be like a base player. So there will be a lot of characters you can pick from. So one character, like all characters, will have like a base stats. Like he'll have strength, like dexterity, probably not dexterity, probably just movement speed, attack speed, stuff like that, and it will all come from this base. If you understand. Hopefully, I remember. But this is the plan, and I like creating scripts and writing them because these two will be linked. I think I might make another one. No, this is just it. Um, these scripts will be linked. I'll make another base test character, so I'm gonna make another script called test, and this will literally just test the characters. It will put values in them basically. So I'll delete it later. Would I delete it? Probably not. I might just block it, just not put it in. But yeah, I won't delete it just in case I need it again. But yeah, let me just create. I always like to make a test script. I know you can just do the debug thing, but sometimes I like doing in-depth testing. So let's to make sure that I know what I'm doing and what I'm seeing. Because sometimes the debug will tell you, like, let's say if I made an inventory and I debugged it, so like I say, oh, press J to add something to the inventory. I see it in inventory, but I don't know if I can use it because I have to make another debug. Whereas the test will just be much easier because I can literally just test the code, then I copy it, like when the code is finished, I can just put it in another script or just leave it in test script and improve on it. Yeah, I can just put it in its own script when it's good and done instead of just doing debug. I still do the debug, but I do it with the test. Um, okay. Okay. Basically, what I want to happen is this will have the play controller. I'm just setting everything up. I won't start coding this video. I'll start coding the next one. That's tomorrow. But yeah, I'll post another video today, which is me coding. I'll make a small mobile game, maybe just like a running game. So like the character have to run and jump over stuff, and probably like a jump will be double tap. Maybe I have some enemies coming at it, so single tap. No wait, how can I think of that? I'll think about it later. For now, let me just focus on this. Let me give it. Let me give it physics 3D. I like capsule colliders for characters. I'm not really a fan of box colliders. They're just not accurate. Mm, you could have other types of colliders. Wait, what does Unity offers? Yeah, Unity offers character colliders. I've never used character. No, that's character controller. What is it? Mesh colliders. Mesh colliders is what I'm thinking of. I think it's Mesh Collider. It basically forms on your body, basically. Yeah, so it forms on your body. So it's basically a perfect match. I've never used that before. I normally just use Capsule Collider. Who knows? Maybe one day I'll learn how to use the Mesh Collider. Rigid body can't be added to a rigid 2D. I can't add it. Give me a second. I can't do rigid body. Gravity. I don't actually need to add a capsule collider to that. I need to add it to the things of the character. And I'll make a code where the capsule collider matches the character, basically. See, they all have their own collider. Yeah, I think that's why. They all have their own collider. And this one is just too, how can you say it? Too big. No, this doesn't exist. It's just a dot. Whereas these are objects. Ooh, correct me if I'm wrong. So that will be it for today. Not for today, but just for this project. Tomorrow I'll start coding and stuff like that. So expect a long video, maybe 3 to 2 hours long, or maybe less, depending if I edit it. If I edit it, it will just be like 1 hour. Maybe um, what do you call it? Fast forward, speed up the video, and just leave my voice as normal when it's the boring bits, because there are, I don't know, some people say coding's boring. So there are some boring bits of code. Yeah. So, thank you for watching. If you're watching, I don't mind. If you're not, don't mind as well. If you got this far, thank you. This is just for me. If you want to watch and help, you can leave some suggestions. Or when I'm started the coding, it'll be much appreciated. I can always improve. I'm still learning. I do some what do you call it? Practice. Not practice. Yeah, I'll say practice. I normally go on Udemy and buy like courses for stuff I don't know, and just try to do them just to see if I can do them. It helps me learn extra stuff, extra skills. It helps. So if you have any suggestions when I start coding, just put it in the comment. I always welcome. Even thank you very much for watching. Have a I don't know what time this will be uploaded. So have a nice day or night, and I'll see you in the next video.